Derrick Rose was a no-show for this game. Game time came and Derrick Rose was nowhere to be found, so Brandon Jennings is in the starting lineup. Anthony Davis getting the rebound, putting it back up and in. He had a monster game, 40 points, 18 rebounds in just 29 minutes of action. What a slam there. Everybody's moving out the way. They don't want to be involved in that poster. Carmelo driving left, pump fake, he got him, and one. As of right now, nobody knows what happened to Derrick Rose. Some people are saying it could be a family emergency, so we'll find out tomorrow or this week soon. I'm pretty sure we will. Brandon Jennings, though, taking advantage of this opportunity to get more minutes. He's popping threes. The Knicks, they're only down by 5, but Drew Holiday responds with a 3 of his own. And that ignites a fire. The Pelicans go on a run, another 3. In transition, Knicks coach is not happy. The game is getting away from them, slashing. Anthony Davis with the putback one-handed, now in the post, working on Noah. Even though Porzingis helps, it was too little too late. Now he's showing the range, making it splash. The frustration was building in New York. Carmelo Anthony got 2 technical fouls and he was ejected from the game. It's sad when NBA players can't keep their cool. Talking to the refs, it never helps. It never changes the call. Why do you even do that? This was a dangerous play here. Anthony Davis in transition, and he falls head first into the crowd. That is a dangerous fall and a hard foul from Kyle O'Quinn. Kyle O'Quinn would get ejected for this play. Davis is a little bit banged up. He hurt his hip on the play. Referees reviewing it and they throw him out of the game. So that's 2 Knicks players that were thrown out. Derrick Rose didn't show up. It is a disaster in New York this season. They were in the playoff hunt. They were the 3rd or 4th seed at one point. Then they've gone on this huge losing streak. There goes a lob. Uh-oh. They're blowing out the Knicks at home. The coach is not happy. The players are not happy. Brandon Jennings is massaging his head. He's got a headache. Boogie losing his cool again. He hates it when he gets fouls. He goes to the bench. He's kicking the seat, punching the seat, knocking the seat out. Oh, baby. That's the Marcus Cousins weakness. He needs to calm down and stop getting mad in every game that he plays. He's got an anger issue. Kings trying to hold on to the lead, but now the Warriors are on a run.